Gandang gabi. Housemates, mga kapamilya, ako po si Boy Abunda. Ngayong gabi, narito po ako para tulungan si Kuya at ang taong bayan na kilalanin at kilatisin ang Batch 2 Adult Big Four sa isang talakayan na atin tatawaging Pinoy Big Debate. At any point during the debate, if there are any words that you don't understand, don't hesitate to ask. Yes or no? Housemates, are you ready?
Yes!
Yes!
Uumpisahan natin ang Pinoy Big Debate with hashtag #AskKuya. Bibigyan ko kayo ng pagkakataon, tanungin si Kuya ng kahit anong tanong. After you tell me, explain to us why you asked that question. Let's start with you, Andre. Ano ang katanungan na nais mong itanong kay Kuya?
I would ask, what's your daily routine like? But I kind of understand that we're here in his house, but wanting to know what's his daily routine in the outside world as well is very, brings up a lot of curiosity.
Let's go to you, Fumia.
How old are you?
Okay.
PBB is very long, and then Kuya is same Kuya, diba? And then his voice is very good, still good. I think before good, pero now still good. That's why I want to know.
Let's go to you, Lou.
Natutulog siya or nakakapagpahinga pa siya dahil lagi po kaming confident na i-share sa kanya lahat. Parang natatakot ako baka mamaya nagsisink in lang po sa kanya yun na iniisip niya na masyado siya nag-aalala.
Yam.
Kuya, mahahawakan ba kita? Kasi kuya, gusto lang kitang pasalamatan sa personal. Ang gwapo ng boses mo at mas gwapo yung mukha mo kaysa sa boses.
Maraming salamat. Yam, maliban sa'yo, who is most deserving to win and why?
Maliban sa akin.
Yes, you gotta choose yourself.
Fumiya.
Bakit?
Kasi Fumiya is bridge of the Japan and Philippines.
Fumia.
Opo, my opinion, Yam.
Why?
Kasi if he become big winner, I'm so happy.
So which means that if Andre or Lou wins, you will not be as happy. Bakit?
Siyempre happy. Kasi
But you will be happier with.
Happier. I'm so sorry. Happier, Yam.
Okay.
Yeah.
How did you feel when Fumia said he will be happier if Yam wins and not you guys?
I respect
We all have the same question. We have to choose one person. It's not about feeling bad at all. We also, all of us believe in each other.
We do.
So no hard
In each
feelings at
other.
all.
Okay, let's go to you, Andre.
Somebody that is very compassionate and is patient in the hard times and knows how to grow and fight and never give up now. I've admired this person a lot, and that is Lou.
Okay, thank you. Lou.
Ito po yung tao na even before first day pa lang, nakitaan ko po talaga siya ng potential and I see in his eyes po talaga yung pangarap and I know dahil gusto niyang paghirapan yung pangarap niya po siya. Kuya Yam po. Kuya Yam po. Kuya Yam.
Yes!
Wow.